Welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and I'm back with a new video. If you're new to my channel is where mental health meets the millennial with just a sprinkle of my Microlocs journey and some travel vlogs here and there. So please go check out my content. Today, we are doing a Microlocs video. It is an update, you guys. I am 9 months locked. I could have literally carried a whole child at this point. Like, I am so excited that I am still loving my journey, and I'm excited to just continue to bring you guys updates on how my locks are doing. You've been with me since the beginning. If you haven't been with me since the beginning, go ahead and check out my Microlocs playlist that literally details my journey all the way up to this point. Let's go ahead and get into the update. Update number 1 is not necessarily about my Microlocs, but you guys, I got a recent retie and I tried it with a new loctician. If you remember my last update, I was saying I don't know what's going to happen. Well, it turns out the young lady that I was going to previously, this is still her business, Biddy Locs. If y'all ever seen me talk about her, you've also seen her on my channel on my Ask the Loctician questions. Well, anyway, she has this new program at her business where it is kind of like, I ain't gonna say it's a subscription, but you'll pay a certain amount of money, and instead of just getting one date at a time, you'll be able to schedule your next 6 sessions or a number amount of sessions over 6 months. Like, it opens you up to a calendar to go ahead and get first priority when it comes to selecting your dates. And you will pick, like for me, I go every 6 weeks. So I don't get 6 sessions, but I can get it over 6 months. And I go ahead, give them my date and time. They'll go ahead and put me in the schedule. The only thing is that you are not guaranteed her. So I was not guaranteed her for the day that I needed, and I needed Thursdays. So yeah, and usually I would go Thursday mornings. Now I have to go Thursday evenings. So that's just a big deal in itself. So anyway, I had to get a new loctician that worked for her or worked at her business. The lady was amazing. She was super informative. You know, I asked a lot of questions. She was very welcoming. At first, I was very much not wanting to even do this anymore. Like, look, I'm gonna have to find somebody else, because who has time to like get a new loctician? I'm like, she's not gonna know my hair, you know. So I'm still over the fence about how I want to proceed going forward, but I did enjoy her, and I am going back to her since I already have my next 6 months booked. Well, 5 more months at this point booked with her. I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, finish that out since I already paid the money for to even be able to secure the dates. That money, only thing I also didn't care for, that money doesn't go like towards your service. So you just paying this money and it doesn't even go towards your service. So I was just like, okay, but you know, I can't tell people how to run their business. That's just okay. But yeah, so that is new. I got a retie a couple of weeks ago before I went to Chicago. If you haven't seen my Chicago vlog, go ahead and watch it since you're here. But yeah, so we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see how, you know, do I continue to go to this loctician? Now, if I had to get another one after this, I don't think I can do it, y'all, because I like consistency. I do not like everybody up in my head. I just want one person in my hair. That's it. My second update is I think I might have to learn how to interlock my own hair. Like, when I started this journey, I was not in the mind state to do my own hair. Hence why I got locked in the first place, because I didn't want to have to do my own hair. I am in the throes of my dissertation while running a business, while just trying to be young, wild, and free out here. I don't feel like touching my hair. Now, because of all the stuff that is going on with my loctician, I feel like it's not as safe as I thought it was, or it's not as reliable. So I need to figure out, I need to learn how to do this myself, just for those moments where I cannot go to a loctician, they cannot fit me in their schedule, they change up how they do stuff. I need to make sure I have my own back. I was not trying to be that DIY person. I give credit to the lock people out here that are doing DIY. It's just not, I did not want to do it. That was not my lot in life. Guess it is now. So that's another update. I just feel like I just need to learn how to interlock. Both of them do the 2-point rotation method on my hair, which I've been looking at videos and it doesn't seem that difficult. I just don't want to put holes in my locks. So I really want, if I'm going to learn how to do it, I want to learn how to do it correctly. I want to learn how you can see where you last left off. That's going to be really important for me because I do care about the integrity of my locks. I just was not anticipating this happening, and this is what 9 months is looking like for me so far. Another part of my update is I am starting swimming lessons tomorrow, y'all. Yes, I am that person, that individual that waited until they were an adult to learn how to swim. I was not taught as a kid. So I am trying to achieve everything that I just did not get in my childhood. One of those is learning how to swim. So I start my swimming lessons this week. And y'all still know I have starter locks. So I'm just like, how am I going to do my hair? What do I need to do? Do I need to keep it braided and banded for the whole, I'm going every day this week, Monday through Friday. It's 5 days, and I'm doing private lessons. It's 5 days in a row for an hour and a half. So I'm like, okay, how I'm gonna do my hair. So what I can do, if you guys are interested, I can figure out what I'm gonna do and record that and make that a video for how to maintain the integrity of your locks while you are swimming. That actually sounds like a great video idea. So yes, let me just go ahead and check that off. That's something I need to do. But I need to figure out by tomorrow how I'm gonna have my locks for the entire week of this week because I'm going every day this week. But yes, I am starting swim lessons and we want to make sure that my locks stay right. Okay. So that is something new. That is an update for my locks. As you can also see, my hair is looking fuller. I do have it kind of styled today. Nothing too big. I just put the little puffs on top or the little combs on top. And it's giving. My hair, I did not do a braid out this week. But my hair is just getting that really full action. Let's just go ahead and so I can show you how my hair is doing. Now, I cannot see myself, so I'm hoping that you will be able to. So it's been a couple of weeks since my last retie. So my parts might not be super crispy, and that is okay. It'll be time for a new retie soon. So yes. As y'all know, I'm still dealing with frizz. It's just gonna be what it is. Frizz is going to be what it is. Let me turn around. And that is how my hair is looking. Yes. My hair is looking fuller. It's feeling fuller. I'm still not, as you see, these probably still look like twists. That's just what it is. I still have my curly ends. Now those I love. But yeah, still not seeing really much any maturing of my locks. So we're just gonna stop looking for it to mature right now. That's it. I'm also not having any issues with length. That's another part of my update. I wear my bonnet consistently. Even when I'm just laying down, I'm most likely gonna have my bonnet on. I also, when I'm washing my hair and when I dry, y'all seen in past wash days that I use a black t-shirt to soak up the water because I just don't want the cotton towels to get stuck in, interwoven and maturing in my locks. So that's another way I keep lint out of my locks. This journey continues to surprise me. I am still excited. I'm excited about just where I'm gonna be at that 1 year mark. That is what I'm super excited about. Where I'm gonna be at that 1 year mark. how my locks are gonna look as they continue to grow, as they continue to flourish, as they continue to mature. I am just all about having healthy hair, not necessarily length. Yes, who doesn't want locks down to their butt? I don't know. But I also just really want healthy hair. So that is my goal, is to just have healthy hair and to just continue to embrace my journey. But I think that is it, you guys. Go ahead, if you're new to my channel, subscribe below. Go watch my Microlocs playlist and any other mental health videos that I might have put out, or travel vlogs. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, DeAvila Sadé. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.